Welcome to another episode of TC's Anything Goes, and today we'll be working on the Toyota Alphard. And as many of you probably already know, I've got this car about almost 2 years ago, and I noticed that the headlights at the back there is actually PPF, paint protection film something, and it has turned very yellowish. If you were to compare it with this one which I removed, it's white. This is very orangey, which tells me that this thing is degraded, and as you can see over here, it is flicking off, but not entirely. So here in this video, I'm going to teach you how to remove it. So the first thing we will need is to have a heat gun, and we'll set it to 200 degrees and a plastic scraper. Okay, so now it looks very blurred, so what we will do is we will spray it with glue remover. And we'll let it sit for a while. Okay, make sure to let it sit for a while and then use a paper towel to wipe off all the excess glue. You might need to do this a couple of times. Alright, so that's it. That's how you remove the PPF. As you can see over here, the PPF is degraded to the point that it's crunchy and discolored, which is not good. That's why you see over here it's very yellowish, it's white here. But there is still a couple more steps. Now, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but you have got some marks over here, here, and randomly, whereby the glue on the PPF actually ate into the plastic, and the plastic is no longer shiny, meaning that it's no longer glossy. So we'll need to polish this, and we'll get to that right now after I take this out. Okay, so once you're done with the polishing, you will see how smooth and shiny and glossy this thing is compared to this side, which you can see is much dour. Check it out, it's like renewed. Okay, so I'm off to polishing the rest of it, and we'll go on to the summary. Okay, so the entire back is done, as you can see, compared to earlier whereby all this was yellowish. We have it very nice and white now, and it's shiny after the polish. Look at it, just look at it, absolutely stunning. Now I prefer this type of lights compared to LED lights because LED lights tend to fail prematurely and it's hard to get them replaced, whereas this one you can just replace the bulbs. That's the only reason why I did not change it to LEDs. Look at the reverse lights. Whew. This is absolutely fabulous. Yeah. Okay, so the reason why there is this stuff PPF on the thing is because the previous owner installed it. I have no idea how long he has installed it, but in the 2 years that I have ownership of this, it has turned yellowish and doesn't look nice at all. I actually don't really remember when I got the car whether was it yellowish or not, but yeah, crunchy and yellowish, just like biscuit. Yeah, let's call this the biscuit syndrome. Well, I've seen worse, those that actually do the PPF for their headlights, and their headlights turn very brownish, looks like burnt. And if any of you that stays near me that has a car that looks like that, I would very much love to try to restore it, because this seems like fun and it's very satisfying. I mean, look at it. Look at all the reflectors inside. Absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. No words can actually tell you how I feel right now, because I'm so happy. The back of the car looks so nice now. Absolutely great. Okay, so the things that I use is actually very simple. Just a heat gun and a sticker remover and a plastic scraper. So this is actually from my leather seat restoration that you've probably seen the video already, I hope. If you have not, I'll put link in the description below so you guys can check that out. Okay, time to clean up. There was a lot of tissue used. Kitchen towels, a lot of PPF being removed. Okay, so as usual, if you like this video, hit this. If you dislike it, hit this. But leave us a comment down below, and if you have not done so, make sure you hit the subscribe, like and bell button, alright? So that I know that I'm not alone here doing videos. Okay, till next time, I will see you again.